Here's something else that I found from the Dollar Tree. It's Arizona green tea snacks. There's Zen flavors, apparently. Original, apple, mandarin, and plum blueberry. So, pop this open. Pretty colorful. Very strong. I was thinking that this would actually be straight up green tea gummies, which would... It's an awesome concept. Can I tell which one's which? Not really. The Mandarin one, it's probably going to really stick out though. You know, these are pretty good. It's an interesting flavor variety, but otherwise tasting really good and, well, gummy snacks. I'll give this an 8 out of 10.